Hello, welcome back to another piano tutorial. Today we're learning Whatever It Takes by Imagine Dragons. I love this band so much. They have so much great music out right now, and I figured I might as well do this song because it's pretty simple and we can play it. There are 3 parts to this song which we'll learn, and we might as well get started right now, so let's jump right into it. Alright, there's 3 parts to this song in terms of how the chords act. There's the verse and the bridge, which are the same. There's a pre-chorus, and then there's the chorus. We're going to start with the verse first. As you can see, it's pretty simple already because it's a really simple song. We're in the key of A minor, which is our first chord, by the way. We have A minor, which is A, C, and E in both left and right hands. Then you go to this G major chord, which all you're doing is moving one white note down each hand or each finger. So G, B, and D. And then to this E minor 7 chord, which I do E's in my left hand for octaves, and G, B, D, and E in my right hand. How that goes is you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4. And that repeats for your verse. So you have 1. So you have like 1 bar of 4, another bar of 4, and then 2 bars of 4 on the E minor, if that makes any sense to you at all. That was pretty simple. Now we're going to get to the pre-chorus. The pre-chorus is pretty much the exact same thing. You're only adding 1 chord into it. It's where you're substituting 1 bar of 4 on this E minor 7, which we'll get to. It sounds like this. Obviously, the pre-chorus leads into the chorus, which is what that first chord was, which we'll get to. But again, you have the A minor chord, we already learned this, and then this G minor chord. Now, instead of doing 2 bars of the E minor 7, we're substituting this D7 chord in your 3rd bar of 4. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4. 3rd bar of 4, you have this D7 chord, so you have D's in your octave in your left hand, or D's in your left hand in octaves, and then F sharp, A. I do C and D. You don't have to do the D on top. You can leave it like that, but I do the D just because it feels more complete for me. And then you go to that E minor 7 chord, which you already learned. So I'm going to combine the first verse and the pre-chorus together so you can see what it sounds like. I'll go 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, E minor 7, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, repeat, A, G, E minor 7, 3, 4, now the pre-chorus, A, 7, E, A, G, D7, E. And then we go into our chorus. Now I'll play a little bit of the chorus for you guys so you can understand what it sounds like. It's 4 different chords, but you're going to be fine about learning that. It sounds like this. As you can see, there's 4 different chords. You're going to start out on this F major 7. You can just do F major, which is F, A, and C. If you want a little bit of color, I recommend the F major 7. Just add the E on top. So this chord is for 4 beats. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We're gonna get this chord. I hope you can see down here. This is C's in your octaves in your left hand, and then E, G, B, and C. This is a C major 7 chord. And again, you don't have to do the 7ths at all. You can just the old C major. I just add a 7 for color, just because I like it. So relatively, you have F major for 4 beats, and then C major for 4 beats with the B. And then 2 chords you already learned, G major for 4 beats as well, and then A minor 7, or you can just do A minor, either or is fine. Again, I used the 7 for color, but that A minor 7, A, C, and E like you did before with the A minor chord, just add the G. And that repeats 4 times, so that's how we played it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4. G, A minor 7. And that repeats 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4. That repeats. You're just gonna repeat that 2 more times, and you should be done. And then you can go on to the verse after that. And those are chords to play Whatever It Takes by Imagine Dragons. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you like it, leave a like. If you want to see more, subscribe to my channel for more content. And I'm trying to branch out and not just do piano tutorials. I'm trying to do a lot more music related stuff on the channel. If you want a tutorial of a song that you love, just leave it in the comments below and I will gladly take a look at it and see if I can do it. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.